A video pops up on your feed featuring a famous TV doctor who seems to be speaking directly to your deepest health concerns. He promises a breakthrough that your own local physician has somehow ignored. This is the calculated bait used by the GlucoZen Drops campaign, a digital trap utilizing sophisticated AI to hijack the trust you place in household names. Those viral clips of celebrities talking about a miracle blood sugar liquid are completely fabricated. Scammers are now leveraging voice cloning technology and deepfake visual editing to make it appear as though world-renowned experts are endorsing their specific formula. It is a high-tech heist targeting both your bank account and your physical well-being. When you examine the actual claims being made, the logic quickly dissolves into absurdity. They tell stories about hidden parasites causing diabetes or secret home rituals that can fix your blood sugar levels in just a few hours. These are not medical breakthroughs. They are predatory fairy tales designed to bypass your logical defenses by tapping into genuine health anxieties. Real science does not exist in a secret vacuum. It is not sold through countdown timers and massive 90% off discounts on suspicious-looking websites. If a product claims to reverse a chronic condition like diabetes without any professional medical supervision, you should treat it as an immediate danger signal. There are no legitimate clinical trials referenced here. There is no peer-reviewed data to be found. Instead, you are met with fake news layouts and high-pressure tactics that make you feel like you are missing out on a life-changing discovery. The reality is far more mundane. These drops are usually just generic liquid supplements filled with unverified ingredients. You have no way of knowing what you are actually putting into your system. It might be harmless colored water, or it could be something that interferes dangerously with your prescribed medications. Real users are increasingly reporting that the product does absolutely nothing, while others are warning about the deceptive sales practices that make it nearly impossible to get a refund. This entire marketing machine relies on the power of fear. They want you to believe in a secret danger or a hidden cause that only their product can address. It is a classic psychological manipulation. They create a sense of panic and then offer a cheap, effortless solution. However, true health management is never that simple. Balancing your glucose requires consistent monitoring and expert advice, not a mystery bottle purchased from a social media ad. It is incredibly frustrating to see artificial intelligence being weaponized to manipulate people who are simply looking for a better way to live. This is not just a case of a misleading advertisement. It is a coordinated effort to deceive the public. You should stay far away from these aggressive marketing funnels. If a celebrity face is being used to peddle a medical miracle, take a moment to verify the source. Most of the time, those public figures have no idea their likeness is being used to sell supplements. Protect your health by sticking to proven medical methods and ignore the siren song of the AI-generated miracle cure. Your well-being is worth more than a gamble on a viral video.